So for today's vlog, I am indoors because it is pouring out here. But there are plenty of cute little galleries around Hilo, and I found one I really like, so I'm going to show you. There are a ton of beautiful pieces here. Lots of like lava themed. So as I walk through, how many artists are in here?
What's that?
How many artists are represented?
Over 120.
Wow. Yeah. But lots of beautiful work. There's paintings, jewelry,
Ceramics, glass, wood, everything.
ceramics, all of it. There's even unique like mixed media. Like in the back I saw like foam.
Yes,
Yeah. Really cool stuff. Yeah. Cool stuff. Lots of beautiful work. Photography. I love the variety here. And so much talent. And I actually saw some pieces, little pieces of art I definitely want to get. So I'm going to go over there. So a couple that I really like is, these are really unique here. So these pieces are like foam, but the way it's painted looks like different textures. Like this one's so pretty, but I won't touch it, but it's like foam. Plaster coats and foam. It's like lava. So creative. And I also personally really like these coasters. I'm actually gonna, we decided I'm gonna bring at least one or two home. There's like a handful I saw here. I like the teal level. These are really nice, like the bluish. I like that stone. So I'm definitely gonna get a couple of those. I'll claim one now. I'm gonna go with this one. I'm definitely gonna get this one and maybe this one. I'll just like try this one. I really like this one. This one's gonna come in. Let's show you more art. We got some really cool mixed media stuff here. These are by Shireen. Love these two. I always really admire like glass work that's really heavy. It's like a paperweight and it's glass. So cool. And some incredible photography here. That one, that's wild. That looks like, that is like totally a face. Madame Pele. So this is by, oh, well there you go. So he named it as Stephen Davies. And even stuff like super cool. I love the originality of this one. Paint on like a circle. That's my favorite bird. Birds. These are original pieces by Diane Miller.
Ranger.
Oh, this is a park ranger.
And so all of these scenes are from Volcanoes National Park, and her color palette is so spot on perfect.
Oh.
It's like you're right there.
I love that this is a park ranger.
Yeah, yeah. Diana Miller is her name.
So cool.
And she does spectacular work.
Oh yeah. I was just talking to the person working the gallery right now, and she is actually this artist, which is amazing. Her name is Deborah Beaver. So she was telling me how she's been working here since 2011, and I guess they have like a rotation where the different artists will come and work in here. So that means whenever you pop in here, you likely get to meet one of the artists, which is pretty cool. I love these. Switch hands here. A lefty, a lava mug. So cool. Okay, it's decided. I'm gonna get this mug. It looks like lava. And this poster, which is on like a lava rock. I'm gonna go get these things and then I'm gonna go eat some for dinner. I'm gonna get this one too. It's super cool. But the last thing I'm gonna say is there's so much talent on Island that you should support. It's a beautiful work. I'm always about supporting local, so I always like to get some art and show some love to all our extremely talented artists. So highly recommend. There's a lot of galleries, by the way. Maybe I'll do different videos of different ones, but until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye guys.